Yama, Renee from Winanga-Li. So today will be the last recording for the, is it Macrame?
Yep.
Yeah, Macrame. So we'll be incorporating some beads, which you can get from Spotlight. And then after today, you can get everything from Spotlight, your beads, your cord, and your little hoop that we gave you, no more than $20. So now we'll just show you how to add in the beads.
Yama, Sarah from Winanga-Li, how you going? So I usually like to start with the square knots again, and you can incorporate your beads into your diamond pattern. So one way to do it, make it a lot easier, is tape your bottom so it's easier to thread. So just wrap a bit of tape around the bottom, make it easier to thread through the little holes in your beads. So we'll start with the square knot diamond pattern again. So we'll just start doing some square knots. Everyone's already mastered the square knots by the photos I've seen. They look lovely.
They do, they look good.
Oh, wrong side, Sarah.
Just zoom that.
So you just do your little square knots and then move across to do your diamond pattern. Oh, the tape gets stuck sometimes. So move across down to each corner, just moving across. On the other side. Oops, sorry.
You're right.
And then, so leave those two, come back in. Actually, no, we could actually thread on the beads now. So we'll go with those ones. So, just grab your beads, start threading them on. Bring them all the way up. They should stay.
So do you do the 4 middle ones? Is that what you...
Yep, so you can just incorporate one bead or two.
Yeah.
So you can have 2 beads on the same. Bring your diamond a little bit longer.
Yeah.
You can bring them and do 4 in the middle. If you have bigger holes in your beads, you can do 2 cords in the one bead.
Yeah. Cool.
These are only small beads. You can even drill out your holes a little bit bigger on your beads as well. There we go. Just add your beads and then you can continue with your square knots.
So can they just add beads in wherever,
Yep.
like just make their own designs?
Yep.
Yeah.
So I'll just lock these ones into place.
Yeah.
And then, So where you do your actual square knots as you run down, and you divide it into your 4 different pieces to actually form your plant hanger.
Yep.
You can add them in down here.
Yep.
So you do your square knots all the way down, and then you can incorporate your beads and lock them on with the square knot underneath as well.
Yeah, cool.
You have that design.
So it's right near your plant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just something different rather than just using cord all the time.
Yeah.
You can get all different colour beads. You can get natural colour, or you can get multicolour.
All spotlight. And how much did you say?
I got these off for $2.75.
It's cheap.
Yeah. So I'm not doing a very good diamond pattern here.
My phone keeps going blurry. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, so it's not a very good diamond. Messed it up somewhere along the way, but you get the idea.
Yeah. Yeah.
Righto. So
Cool.
then, yeah, if you want to keep going down, start another square knot down here. And then you can add your beads on here. So, yeah, you probably have to go like that. They're not going to sit together very well. But you get the idea, then just lock them in place with another square knot. But you can go crazy with it. Any design you like, just giving you the basics.
Cool. And that's it.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So have fun with it, ladies.
We can't wait. Send some photos through. Can't wait to see the next ones. Thanks, guys.
Thanks. Bye.
Goodness.